So they had a 12-pack in there for $4 at Kroger. I was like, oh, heck yes, baby, I am finna forget this.
I used to walk into the room, head down, I don't walk, now I float on my float on the slope. They hanging on to that goose down in my coat. Float on my float on the slope. I don't step, I don't.
All right, y'all, it's like almost 8 o'clock and I am about to go to the gym. I have my gym pants, my little gym t-shirt. I haven't worn this in years. And then my sports bra. Y'all, this is a really good sport. It was 20 bucks. And when I tell you the quality, everything is just really, really good. And yeah, so this is what I'm about to wear to the gym. And I'll be back, you guys.
What up, y'all? So I finished workout. Oh, my cord. I finished my workout literally just a second ago, and I'm about to head to the house. Y'all, was just having the darnest time with this one machine. I was like, what the hell is up? Like, it is just weird. But anyways, I'll talk to y'all when I get to the house. Hey, y'all. So I'm about to go to Kroger, and I'm going to get some catfish fillets, or if I can get a whole catfish, if it looks good, then I'll go ahead and get that. I'm either gonna go to Kroger or Tom Thumb. I'm thinking Kroger is my first mind, so I'm gonna go there first and see what they have. And because I really wanted some fish for lunch and a great, like a huge salad, so I'm gonna roast some chickpeas as well. But yeah, I really wanted a fish for lunch with some salad or some veggies, so stay tuned. Y'all, got my Kroger run in. Y'all know I don't have my tripod, but I just left Kroger. I purchased fillets, but I did not purchase fillets. I purchased whole catfish. They had some that was reduced that just came from the, not the deli, but the meat marketplace that the guy was putting out. And so I was asking, you know, like how fresh they were, and he was just like, oh, these were just from yesterday, the ones that weren't sold or something like that, he said. So I got I got 2 packs, and 2 whole ones was like $5, and then the other pack was like 3 whole catfish, and it was $6 in there. Now mind y'all, whole catfish is not the same like it used to be. Whole catfish, this whole catfish are mini. They are mini. They're like the farm raised. You can tell because back in the day, the catfish used to be, child, let me get in my lane. The catfish used to be really big. Like you would, like we as a little girl, we used to go to the lake all the time and fish, and we would get whole catfish at the lake. And when I tell you, the catfish were huge, like they were big. And this is not just for me being a little bitty girl, like even as an adult, like I see how the food has changed. They don't even sell those huge catfish in the grocery stores anymore like that. Like you literally have to go to the country. To me, I mean, since I'm in Texas, it's like we'll have to go out of the city just to get actual catfish and purchase them from, you know, fishermen and stuff like that. So I just you know, get what I can right now. But I wish that, you know, those old school catfish were still sold in the stores. Nowadays it's not old school, it's farm raised catfish. But it's all good, you know. Your girl is just trying to eat, honey. I was supposed to go in there for 2 things: catfish and some chips. I purchased some ice cream bars. I was looking at the ice cream bars and they were 100. The ones that I got were the ones that the Mexicans sell in the blue little containers, you know, with the little wheels. They used to go around like to areas and sell coconut, mango, and strawberry fresa ice cream bars. I love those, y'all. So they had a 12 pack in there for $4 at Kroger. I was like, oh heck yes, baby, I am finished to get it. So that is what I purchased, was that. And then I found some etouffee base, so I purchased that with some fish fry. I know I should have got any fish fry, but I didn't plan on I could cook the catfish like I do my tilapia, my whole catfish tilapias. Dang, it's trashy. They left it trashy over here. But yeah, I could cook it like the like I cooked the tilapia, and you know, just kind of slice it 3 times. But the catfish so small, child. Let me show y'all. Oh, and I lied. I did buy some Alexa sweet potatoes. These, let me tell y'all something. This brand of sweet potato is the best brand I have ever had. That is the ice cream that I was talking about. Only 100 calories or less. And I got fish fry. Hold on, y'all. Sorry. And I got some Cajun etouffee base. It was only like a couple bucks, so I grabbed it. I only spent like 25 bucks. Y'all see this? See how small the catfish are? Like, they are not like they used to be. Catfish are so small. Yeah. And then some chips for my son for his little rotel. All right, y'all. Cooking some spinach. Corn on the cob. Ooh, hold on, y'all. It's corn on the cob with Cajun seasoning. And some onions in there. Baby, look at that fish. Girl, she fried that. It looks amazing. I used the Danny Rose method with the onions. But I also got my window open, okay? Because don't nobody want the whole house smelling like fried food. At least I don't. That's the only thing I kind of miss about apartments, when I had like a patio door with the screen. So I could just open up the door and let the house air out. But I opened the window because I have a screen on my window. So, yeah. Yep. Apologies, y'all. I didn't even show y'all all my food when I finished it. Anyway, this is how it looks. Very hot. But good. Very good. Guys, we are out here and Nella is attempting to shoot the basketball. She's already made 6 shots so far.
I'm going to try to make 7.
She's gonna do 7 now. Let's see what Nella does. Wow, you did it! 7. Great job.
I think I've been practicing every day.
You've been practicing, or you just started? I think she's liking basketball now. Is this the next WNBA star? Big girl. And how old are you, Nella?
7.
Hey, you did it. 8 shots. Big girl. How do you feel about that 8 shot?
Good.
It was amazing, huh? It took a lot of hard work. And how many shots did you put up before that?
8.
You missed a lot, but you made 8, right? Ready for water?
Yes.
Too funny. Nella says she's ready for water.
We actually had a popsicle, but now I already have water.
Right, you're gonna get water now. No more popsicles.